Watch what happened here.
Ganda ng uppercut na yun.
Ang lilinis eh.
Oh, meron pang kaliwayan na susunod eh. Yun. Sinasabi natin.
Partner, natuling doon, no?
Oo.
Si Kijima, but in overall, no?
Oo.
For Malcolm Tunyaka, because he's showing a lot of style here, no?
Well,
yung kanyang adjustments, ang problema, one weakness lang nakikita ko, no? Yung siguro stamina at saka yung inconsistency na kanyang atake, and I don't see the old power of Malcolm Tunyaka. But overall, I think my assessment for this fight so far is that it's above average.
Well, I hope I'm wrong, but he's still, I think Malcolm Tunyaka needs to at least score a knockdown, if not a knockout victory. Dahil,
To seal it.
Yes, para sigurado. Dahil itong si Kijima, hindi po bumibitaw. Nandiyan lang siya parate. In round number 10, we felt that Kijima was hurt by Tunyaka several times. Pero hindi bumagsak eh. Yun ang problema. And Kijima has been throwing a lot of leather. Not very hard ones, but some of them, a lot of them are finding the target. Although sinasabi nga natin, sa pakiramdam lang po natin, parang hindi naman masakit para kay Malcolm Tunyaka. Ganun pa man, hindi natin masisiguro kung anong nasa isip ng mga hurado o judges dito. Two Japanese and a compatriot, Nick Gyonko of the Philippines ng Manila Bulletin. Ayun na, si Malcolm Tunyaka. Wala kasi kaliwa na yun. Medyo gumewang doon. Itong si Kijima.
First time I saw his buckle. Malcolm Tunyaka looks like he's gonna try to finish off his opponent in this round. Sunod-sunod na to.
Yung mga uppercut na kaliwa.
Hilo na ang kalaban.
Yung uppercut na kaliwa. Ang gumagawa ng damage dito para kay ba. Ayan na. Double. Isa, kaliwa. Ayan. Tumatras na po si Kijima.
He's teeing off. Hindi na bumabanat itong kalaban ni Malcolm. And there he goes. He's just, as soon as I said that, instinctively, lumapit siya kay Malcolm, no? He's parang
dinidikitan niya. Ayun. Uppercut na naman.
Ang ganda nun.
A rain of punches and the referee stops it. Malcolm Tunyaka retains the OPBF bantamweight crown.
Initially, he fought the fight ng kanyang kalaban, and then he adjusted. And what a knockout.
Ayan po, mga
11th round TKO.
TKO in the 11th round for Malcolm Tunyaka as the Philippine flags wave proudly here at the Korakuen Hall in Tokyo, Japan.
This sports special is presented to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette.